All is now set for the two slate to go head-to-head to form the next administration of the St. Catherine Football Association following Ricardo Valentine's launch a week ago. Elaine Walker-Brown did likewise on Wednesday. Elections come with intimidation and even mudslinging. But Elaine Walker-Brown says her team, the Team for Change, will not be engaging in any such activities in order to gain office. Walker-Brown says neither will she be bullied in her attempt to gain office.
I'm not a quitter, but I'm not in the dirty game. The same way I came to you that I am going to give of myself when I leave on the 20th, is the same way. I don't want to be smeared. I want to be the same Elaine Walker-Brown that comes in. I want to be that same Elaine Walker-Brown, whatever the result is, that is going out.
According to Walker-Brown, the Parish Association lacks financial strength, and that's where she comes in.
I serve an amazing God. I want money to come here. I want money. And I bring money. I bring money.
One of the ways to bring that money to the parish is through merchandising.
We are going to put on the Friday night footballs to highlight the clubs. We are going to make money start jingle in the owner them, in the managers' pocket. We not going to keep the money that is made over there for ourselves. We are going to send some of that money back into the clubs.
And Walker-Brown is warning against the one-man band, which will work against them in benefiting from the JFF.
If you are properly structured, you have your minutes, you have everything that is required of a club. You don't have to be feeling to get money or feeling to find gears and so. You will get assistance, but you're not getting the grants unless you are properly structured.